Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we're going to do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC, as well as we're going to have a look into USDT dominance chart, which is extremely important, and we will look at the Doge price action. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from a weekly time frame, we've got important levels. The first place, based on a weekly time frame, $30,000 all the way up to $33,000. However, 36.5, which was an extremely important level to get back into consolidation. That level is very early for us to talk about it. Based on a higher time frame, 30,000 as well as the $33,000 are extremely important, the resistance levels. However, in order to see the lower time frame resistance, we have to move on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, exactly the same levels we're following since exit from $69,000. If you remember, 64,000, 62,500 levels were exit level based on a mid time frame, based on a system that we're following. However, based on a higher time frame, that was a first exit level was 60,000, 59,500. As you can see, retested it perfectly after we broke 26th of November, and then the second exit level was based on a single resistance levels, $52,000 and $48,000. So both of them were extremely important. First exit level, second one based on a higher time frame, and that was a last one, $48,000. And $48,000 gave us a fake out based on a daily time frame. So as you can see, first leg down, a bit of consolidation with a fake out, and then we had second leg down, and over 4 months now we're consolidating in this zone between 25,000, 23,000 all the way up to $18,000 and $17,500. So from $60,000 we saw massive dump, which is a 70% dump in the market with the current price action 65%. However, if we're taking average between 52 as well as the $48,000, that's going to give us a $50,000. And from there, we saw 65% nearly dump with the current price action average 60% dump in the market. However, if we're going to take a look into a daily time frame resistance as well as the support levels based on a higher time frame, the support level hasn't been changed since we tested 17,500. Still based on a higher time frame, those support levels are still applicable in the first place, 17,500 all the way up to $17,000, which is a higher time frame, the Fibonacci levels. Based on a daily time frame, with a confirmation actually breaking $22,000 is extremely important. If we can go to 22,000, break it. However, if we don't get a confirmation, that might give us a fake out. We have to do a fake out test based on a daily time frame. As I said, breaking 22,000 with a confirmation is going to be extremely important. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we move on to 4-hour time frame, I want to draw your attention. Yesterday, I made an update that I was saying we have to keep an eye on to $20,700 all the way up to $20,500. Rejection after $21,500, and based on a lower time frame, we kept printing lower lows and lower highs. As a result, as I said, we came right inside the resistance box, which is acting as a support at the moment, and we had 3.22% dump in the market. And also, I made an update about the Doge, and I'll do a detailed analysis in a minute. For BTC, Ethereum, as well as the altcoin market updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. So this is the scenario that we're witnessing. As soon as we stayed above, as you can see, the green line, and we started pumping all the way up to, from that pump started actually 0.062 cents, and we pumped all the way up to, as you can see, over 15 cents. At the moment, as I said, without claiming in the first place 618, and then claiming the smart money line upper level, and then the next level is going to be the important level, it's going to be 15 cents, 15.5 cents. So these levels are extremely important. Also, if we're going to lose the current level, there is another level based on another system that we can come back all the way up to, which is we have to keep an eye on to this level as well. That's going to be 0.10.5. Also, that you can see is confluence with the upper line of this blue line, confluence with the 618. Claim this, and the next level, there is a decent chance that we're going to see 15 cents. And as you can see, that will provide a decent risk reward. That's going to be 20%. As soon as we stayed above the smart money line, we saw amazing pump in the market that was over 140 and 150% pump. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable and professional trader in the market. and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. So this is the USDT dominance chart, which tells the amazing story. When the USDT dominance chart goes down, BTC goes up and vice versa. So as you can see, we've been following exactly the same setup since the 22nd of August, and you can check the history. So as soon as we came 618, and that was since then the BTC started pumping. And as well as I warned about in here, that we may go to the resistance one. Also, I expected that we might test the resistance too. However, with the upper line of this resistance number one, as you can see, we've got a rejection, and at the moment, again, we're trying to this the lower line of this resistance. So as you can see, we've got lower lows and lower highs, which is a classical definition of the downtrend. And if we're going to get a rejection, which is highly likely, in the first place that we're going to see the local support plus 618, the golden pocket. Once it's going to happen, as you can see from the rejection, this is based on a 4-hour as well as the mid to high time frame, that we might see a rejection right from the resistance number one. And that will this time, highly likely, we're going to break the daily resistance, which is acting as a support at the moment. We will test the local support and 618. Moving on with our analysis, BTC, and as you can see, USDT dominant chart, which I showed you, that was the resistance. However, BTC at a support, and this is going to be, it used to be acting as a resistance, these levels, lower time frame resistance. As soon as we claimed based on a 4-hour time frame as well as the 2-hour time frame, we had a bullish setup and we cleared the first resistance as well as the second one, and then we came all the way back 618 with the daily resistance levels. So some of the levels acting as a support at this stage, as long as we're going to be above, which there is a decent chance, and claiming this time, as I said, 618 as a daily, the next resistance is going to be 21,800 all the way up to $22,200 and $300. From there on, we will do a further analysis. As I said, in the next 48 hours, as long as we're not going to lose this level as acting as a support at this stage, which is going to be 20,500, the 4-hour will be under the bull's control. However, in the next 24 to 48 hours, if we're going to lose this level, the 4-hour will be under consolidation. If we're going to lose $20,000 in the next 48 to 72 hours, 4-hour will move towards the bearish territory. And in this time, which is too early for us to talk about these levels, this lower time frame support as well as the local support levels are not going to be important anymore, because I guess we're going to see a new lows in the market. However, as I said, it is very early for us to talk about those levels without losing, in the first place, consolidation after 48 hours. That's based on a time factor, and the next level is going to be $20,000. As long as I said, going to be staying above this level, 618, as well as the daily won't be an issue, and then the resistance is going to be this level that we're going to see. 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame, trying to enter into consolidation, as I said in the last video. However, there is a still chance because higher time frames looks decent. As long as 2-hour time frame claimed 618 with a daily, and as I said, the resistance levels are clear. Those are going to be the resistance levels. However, based on a 2-hour time frame, in the next 24 to 48 hours, if we're going to lose this level, 2-hour time frame will move under the bear's control, and 4-hour time frame will be under the consolidation. This level, based on a 2 to 4-hour time frame, on a 2-hour time frame, 618 is going to be extremely important. We came to an end of this episode, and the levels are clear. Play level to level, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next